Today in crypto. The iconic Bitcoin (BTC) white paper celebrates 13 years of financial disruption after being first published on October 31, 2008, by an anonymous person or entity named Satoshi Nakamoto. The white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, foresaw the need for a peer-to-peer online payment system that is self-governing, secure and limited in quantity. The Bitcoin network was launched on January 3, 2009, with each Bitcoin priced at $0,0008. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Paris-based restaurant, Le Bistrot de l'Honneur Maxence now accepts Shiba Inu. The company has confirmed a spike in foot traffic after adding SHIB to its payment methods. Yet still, bullish Shiba Inu keeps expanding its mainstream presence and adoption globally. As brought by this, one of the Paris-based restaurants, Le Bistrot de l'Honneur Maxence has added SHIB as part of its payment methods. This means that from now on, customers can go cashless and pay for food and drink at the restaurant using Shiba Inu. However, this news was discovered based on a video shared by Paris resident and crypto investor, Aave. Shiba accepted in a restaurant in Paris. Eleanor and Maxence 39 Avenue Duquesne 75007 Paris, France. SHIB will be the biggest regret as the Bitcoin laggards were #SHIB Army #SHIB #Shiba #Shiba Swap #Crypto #Shiba Coin #Robinhood #SHIB Army pic.twitter.com/7hcmdxx6zp Crypto Master, at Nathkamga, October 25, 2021. Upon bringing out the video, Davey noted that he confirmed SHIB payment from one of the restaurant's staff before taking the video. Precisely at that moment, a group of 4 men paid their lunch bill using Shiba Inu. It was magic. To also experience the SHIB payment, Davey later visited the restaurant with his friends and bought a €250 buffet with SHIB. Interestingly, as Davey's video went viral, the restaurant came out and confirmed an upward spike in foot traffic for adding SHIB as its payment method. The restaurant has now become the best in the area. Locals are expecting a wave of restaurants to start accepting cryptocurrencies as a payment method. Moreover, Davey disclosed that none of the existing digital currencies has been his best investment throughout his career but Shiba Inu. After revealing this, Davey even went further by saying that he loves cryptocurrency, more especially SHIB. Crypto has the power to change everything. Continue reading on Coinquara. The virtual pet genre became a pioneer in the crypto gaming industry but generated too many similar projects. Aavegotchi took its inspiration from Tamagotchi rather than Pokmon and mixed it with interesting visuals as well as peculiar mechanics. Virtual pet games became one of the most popular genres in the crypto gaming industry. The evolution is quite obvious, as NFTs are the main pivot in blockchain games. Pokmon's motto "Catch them all" is one of the first things that comes to mind when connecting these two factors. Moreover, the popularity of CryptoKitties and CryptoPunks fostered the addition of gamifying features into the already well-working collecting formula. Thus, we got Axie Infinity, which put blockchain gaming on high rotation. On the other hand, virtual pet games overflooded the market. Just a few of the projects that come to mind are Axies, Binaman, MyDefiPet, Etherman, and a bunch of smaller ones featuring the same concept and mechanics. The multitude of options makes it hard to decide what to play. It has been scientifically proven that people tend to choose nothing when they have too many choices. Overchoice is the real issue in any market. Thus, it is a wise decision for developers to have one unique and vivid feature that might distinguish the project from others. In this review, we'll look at what Aavegotchi has to offer. Aavegotchi, more cute than spooky. The project grabs attention by its visual style. Pixelated ghosts are not the common appearance of such games. The inspiration was taken from the protocol the game is run on. Interestingly enough, the visuals themselves have more of a hint on retrowave than horror. This was definitely a good move because the project has to be relevant during the entire year, not only during Halloween. However, if we look a little closer, we'll find out more peculiarities about the game itself. Obviously from the name, the project is rooted in classic Tamagotchi. Although you shouldn't feed your creatures, you can pet them and purchase unique wearables. An interesting hallmark is that gaming NFTs of ghosts are available in both 2D and 3D, so you can easily switch the dimensions of its habitancy. For example, The Aavegotchi ecosystem allows the community to create minigames. Some of them, like Reverse Pac-Man, Sushi Vader, and Snake, are 2D games. On the other hand, Adventure is a 3D strategy in the style of Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle. And the same NFT ghosts are available for playing in both dimensions. Developers promised to implement their original games as well as the Aavegotchi metaverse as soon as possible. The devs are pursuing the idea to create Gotchiverse with a variety of geographic landmarks. It's the place for socializing, quest search, yield farming and harvesting, and collecting Gotchas Alchemica, the local in-game resources, based on ERC20 protocol. Their names are funny though: FOMO, Kek, Alpha, and FUD. The main 3 zones will be the Citadel, the Grid, and the Beyond. Another peculiarity is that the community's mini-games or D-apps will work as NPCs. For example, it can be a character giving you quests as well as something more sophisticated. Thus, the community can create the world they would like to spend time in, not dictated by the developers. And the last question is where to get the first Ghost NFT, as gotchas are not listed on OpenSea or any smaller NFT market. Officially, there are Aavegotchi Mall and Bazar, the second-hand shop. In addition, you can buy a ghost from your friend. As it's an NFT, you can do whatever you want with them. GHSD is the cryptocurrency of the ecosystem, which runs on the Aave protocol. Moreover, if you don't want to pay high gas fees, Aavegotchi provides an option to bridge from Polygon to Ethereum and back. So, you can buy either a ghost or a portal. Players who choose the portal option can perform the portal summoning ritual. After opening the portal, you'll be able to choose one of 10 gotchas. Used portals can be kept for reselling or minigames. On the flip side, one portal costs approximately 100 GHST, which is around $200 at the token's current price. This is definitely the game with a high investment entry level. Scholarships are not yet available, unfortunately. On the other hand, in order to start playing Axie Infinity, the initial investment is $1,5K. Why you should care? Trick or treat. Check as much info as possible about a crypto game before choosing one to invest in and play. Email newsletter join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. The humongous bull run appeared in sync with similar price rallies across Dogecoin-inspired joke cryptocurrencies, notably Shiba Inu. A so-called meme cryptocurrency named after Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is rising in value, namely by a whopping 3,780% in October. Dubbed Dogelon Mars, ELON, the cryptocurrency reached $0.0000233 Saturday, its highest level since May 13th. After opening the month at $0.00005, data from Polynex. The massive upside move pushed Dogelon Mars' market cap from around $26 million on October 1 to as high as $1.19 billion on October 30, thus making Musk the 92nd largest cryptocurrency in the world by market capitalization. A major portion of Elon's October gains came from its performance on October 29 and 30. When the token rallied by more than 200% alongside a listing on OKX and Crypto.com on October 29. Thank you Martians for all of your overwhelming support to get us listed on OKX. It is only one of many stops on our intergalactic mission. Elon emissions are being transported to your wallets right now. Elon's impressive gains come amid an ongoing retail mania across Dogecoin-like meme cryptocurrencies. Most notable is Shiba Inu, SHIB. A Dogecoin-inspired joke cryptocurrency, which rose by more than 850% in October to attain a market cap of around $38.50 billion and even surpassing Dogecoin itself. Similarly, Samoid Coin, SAMO, surged by around 2,925% to reach a market valuation of around $458 million. Hoge Finances, HOGE, rallied by 2,923% in October to become a $458 million asset in comparison to $15 million at the beginning of this month. Whenever one of these coins starts to pump a little bit, everyone starts to think this could be the next nonsensical rally. Eric Wall, chief investment officer of cryptocurrency investment firm Arcane Assets, told the Wall Street Journal. The Dogecoin Mars price corrected by almost 30% after topping out for the year at $0.000233. In doing so, it formed a parallel descending channel that appeared like a bull flag, a bullish continuation indicator. Bull flags appear as the price consolidates lower after a strong move upside, known as flagpole. Typically, traders anticipate the price to break above the flag's upper trend line and rise by as much as the flagpole's height afterward. The flagpole's height in Elon's case is around $0.000102. Related, Bitcoin hodling rate reaches 9-month high, boosting hopes of bull flag rally to $70,000. Conversely, if the price breaks below the flag's lower trend line, accompanied by strong volumes, then it risks invalidating the entire bullish setup. Should it happen, Elon may fall towards its 50-hour exponential moving average, the Velvet Wave, around $0.000140. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph.com. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. Today, Bitcoin maintains a stable trading value well above $60,000 after experiencing a gradual appreciation of 7,749,999,900% ever since its launch. The iconic Bitcoin (BTC) white paper celebrates 13 years of financial disruption after being first published on October 31, 2008. By an anonymous person or entity named Satoshi Nakamoto. The white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, foresaw the need for a peer-to-peer online payment system that is self-governing, secure and limited in quantity. The Bitcoin network was launched on January 3, 2009, having each Bitcoin priced at $0.0008. While Bitcoin was initially perceived as a threat by traditional financial institutions, 13 years of community support and a growing user base have made Bitcoin one of the most profitable investments for the Internet age. Today, Bitcoin maintains a stable trading value well above $60,000 after experiencing a gradual appreciation of 7,749,999,900% ever since its launch. The Bitcoin white paper proposes a solution to prevent double spending without the risk of trusting a third party. To do this, it mentions the use of honest nodes that confirm transactions by overpowering the bad actors in terms of raw central processing unit (CPU) power of computers. Interestingly enough, the Bitcoin white paper has 15 honest and 1 dishonest mentions, explaining the need for honest nodes to ensure the credibility of each transaction. In the words of Satoshi Nakamoto, the Bitcoin blockchain has mined block number 707,542, which offered a mining reward of 6,25000 BTC. As the Bitcoin ecosystem slowly approaches its hard cap or maximum supply of 21 million BTC, the developer community will need to modify the existing rules to incentivize the miners that confirm Bitcoin transactions on the blockchain. The white paper suggests prominent entrepreneurs from crypto Twitter such as Anthony Pompliano join in on the celebrations. Tomorrow is the 13-year anniversary of the Bitcoin white paper. We are officially launching Bitcoin Pizza in 20 cities with almost 100 locations. Every dollar of my profits goes to Bitcoin developers. Pic.twitter.com/O5GH and J7IP. Despite the ongoing resistance from numerous governments and authorities such as China, this year marks the beginning of Bitcoin's legacy as a legal tender in El Salvador. The long-term effect of Bitcoin on El Salvador's inflated economy will determine the asset's mainstream adoption among other jurisdictions. Related, crypto is impossible to destroy, says Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The success of Bitcoin and the crypto ecosystems as viable investments continue to attract investors from all walks of life. The world's richest man, Tesla CEO Elon Musk, recently showed support for cryptocurrencies at the Code Conference in California. Musk also believes that cryptocurrency is fundamentally aimed at reducing the power of a centralized government, which can be one of the main reasons for Bitcoin's slow mainstream adoption rate. Bitcoin is my safe word. Musk has also been highly influential in affecting the market price of other cryptocurrencies such Dogecoin, Doge. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.